Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. It's me, Super Cab 02 Mans. The main deck here in Pango, American Samoa. I'm with my two Samoan friends and they're gonna teach me about how to catch a fish. Wait, let me go over there. There we go, man. They're preparing their stuff. This is my friend, Sunny. Good evening, my brother.
To your 300 viewers up.
300 viewers.
To your
This is
2
G.
viewers. Hey, what's up, 2 viewers?
2 viewers and 1 like.
This is that Samoan lure right here.
What is that, man?
It's a Samoan lure.
Samoan lure.
Yeah, it has this bird's feather on it. Look,
Oh.
it's called a kava.
Oh,
Yeah.
so
Catch a shark with it.
that's how. This is one is to catch a female fish.
Yeah, 2-legged fish. You catch this
All right, and there's 2 Filipinos here. I forgot one name of the other one, and Alvin and Clinton, and I'm going over there. This is a Friesland boat. It's a fishing boat. A lot of Filipinos working over there too. Look how big is that? Okay. I'm going to clean. So, I'm gonna speak Tagalog. Brad, ano na yan, Brad? Ano, kailangan ba ng ilaw dyan, Brad? Ayan. Nakahuli ka na ba, Brad? Nakahuli na?
Nahuli ko yung ano.
Ano?
Barko.
Yung barko, nahuli yung barko. Ayan, they're preparing stuff also too. Anong tawag dito, Brad? Sa mga to?
Fishing rod.
Fishing rod. Fishing rod. Ano ba si Alvin? Medyo busy pa siya. Mamaya ko na siya i-interviewin. Ano siya? Yun. Nice fishing rod.
It's gonna be yours, man.
Are we ready to catch some fish? Fish. Hey, we're gonna catch some Nemo.
Catch Nemo.
Tiny Nemo.
We're gonna find Nemo if you gonna catch him, man. Yeah,
Okay. And Sonny's gonna give me one fishing rod. And he's gonna teach me how to catch a fish also too.
Yeah, you wanna bait, man? You wanna like bait? Like
Bait?
Put like
Yeah,
that.
it's
Bait?
pretty nice
Yeah.
though, man.
Yeah.
Dude, come see this fool's quality, man. It's hella nice. Is there like a...
Yeah, that's for the speakers, like for the.
Shit, this
For
nigga
the
got the
wind,
hookup, fool.
Yeah. But
I forgot this guy was a vlogger, dog.
let me hook my
Watching his
mic.
stuff.
So right now, guys, he's fixing my fishing rod. That's how he goes. It's like you know, like microwaving.
This is our cat.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
look at this cat. Look at this cat, man. Oh shit, Pangatongo
This is
cat.
how we let
Oh,
him
shit.
play around and stuff, man. This is how we train this guy. Catch.
Hey, we're gonna bring you home, man. Come here, Pangatongo.
Yo. So, Oh yeah, from Wales.
Oh shit, this is Kuya Alvin. Okay. I'm doing my vlog. It's Kuya Alvin! Shout out!
Hi everybody.
Yeah. We're preparing stuff too. May nahuli na ba, Kuya Alvin? Wala pa. Kakarating lang din. Tuturuan ako ni Sunny mag ano eh. Mag-fishing rod din eh. Tuturuan niya ni Sunny. Di pa marunong eh. Let's go catch some fish.
That's enough for you, bro.
Bro, all my first catch over there was all my first catch.
Want some soda?
Thank you, bro.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
That's how you do it, yeah? Open it. You hold this? This wire right here, right? Open it.
Open it.
Oh, my bad, sorry.
Oh! That's
That
the
was your
problem.
fault. Wow, we were here first. So all the way over there, look over there. So you like put it up right here. Yeah.
Okay.
High, right?
Yeah.
And you hold this right here. Open the pail,
Okay.
and then you just like on the side.
Pull on the
And then
side.
when you throw it,
Show
go
it.
forward and let go of this finger where the rope is.
Yeah.
Let go of it.
don't let go of the fucking pole, man.
Yeah, don't let go of the pole, bro. Bro, don't
Wait.
let go of my pole, bro.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
So.
That'll be a hit on your vlog.
Oh shit. Yeah.
For real? Oh, yeah, hell yeah. Good looking,
What is
man.
that? What is that?
Yeah. We got some fish. What is this? No, what is this? What kind of fish is it?
Oh, hell yeah.
Tell
It's,
is this a kangi, bro?
Yeah.
It's a
No,
kangi,
no,
bro.
kangi.
Aku, whoa, raku.
It's not bonita.
Oh, hell.
Bonita fish.
And then the other one is a snapper.
See, we can use this for bait.
Which one?
This little.
Oh, the small ones.
The sardines,
Oh.
shit.
Right, that's the one you use for tuyo.
Tuyo. Oh yeah. That's a tuyo.
Yeah, you want some? Take some to make a tuyo. I don't even know what that is, but you it
Oh,
sounds.
it's a dried
The
fish.
Filipino
Yeah.
dried fish.
Oh.
Oh shit. Yeah. It's tuyo.
This guy, oh yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah, it's the first time I see these ones like fresh.
Yeah, man, straight from a new one, bro.
Oh shit.
That came from Lolo.
Oh yeah, Lolo, man.
Lolo?
Yeah.
After that, man.
Samoa, man.
Okay. He's gonna throw.
No, we're not that close.
Not yet. Not yet.
I'm just gonna put this. Oh no.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah.
All right. All
Okay,
right.
we're gonna be back here. Hopefully, you guys get some.
All right, guys. Let's see.
Urua, urua.
Hey, I got a barbecue and charcoal.
This is your bait, bro.
Okay.
Let me see your thing.
Where is it?
Yeah, you're holding it.
That one.
Yeah. The hook, right? So grab a bait. Grab this bait. So small. Push it. Oh.
The tiny one.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll hit. Just gotta like wait for it to like stick it. Unless you want a big fish, then you put the whole fish on there. You just use this. Yeah, you good?
I'm good.
Yeah, you good, man.
Okay.
Alright, let's go toss it over there and, on the side over there because you don't want to get it. But bro, you have to stay and watch your boat
Yeah.
because the fish will take it home.
Oh yeah.
The fish will take my boat.
Oh. Yeah, it's your ball.
So,
Okay.
yeah, you can toss it over there.
This one.
Yeah.
Hey, you do it first.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
When you throw it, it might snap. You know? So
Okay.
you gotta always see if it's straight. Okay, you open this. You hold this. Hold it.
Hold it.
Open. Snap back.
Okay.
Put it back. And throw.
Throw.
And just let it sink.
Let it sink.
Yeah, let it sink all the way to the bottom, man. And then when
Okay.
it goes all the way down, close this.
All right.
Close it.
Close it.
Yeah, close it. So look got a little drag on it, so you can feel when a fish takes it. So yeah, you hold it, and when it hits, just like take it. Okay.
Just wait.
Yeah, man. Feel for the fish, man. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's how it goes all the
It's
way
like
from the
heavy.
bottom. He'll feel it when it hits.
This is one to open.
Yeah, that's opening it. Yeah. But you want to open it right. So let it sink to the bottom. You gotta like reel it in a little bit so it can
So release it.
No, reel it. Yeah, reel it. Tighten this. Yeah, there you go. Tighten it a little bit more. Yeah, so you can feel the hit. Just wait, bro.
All right.
Yeah, man. Probably gonna catch a small fish, but a fish is a fish, bro.
Fish is a fish.
Yeah, let me go grab my
All right.
phone, man. I'll be back.
Sana may pabingwit akong mermaid. Yung mermaid na mamahalin ako. Yung hindi na ako iiwanan.
First time ko na mag-fishing, gusto mo na, mermaid, walang yan.
First time ko na mag-fishing, tapos mermaid na yung inaasam ko huliin. Okay, I got one. I got one.
Yeah, he got a kid.
First fish.
Yeah, hey, come closer and make it look bigger. There you go. Ah, it's a big fish. Hey, watch out.
I think this is poisonous.
Like sharp. Here, let me.
We're gonna give it to the cat.
Yeah.
No, you can take it home, bro.
You
wanna
take it home.
You wanna take it?
Yeah, I wanna eat this one.
Yeah,
Okay,
you
you
can
can
take it.
okay.
This thing. So ngayon, maglalagay ako ng ito. Medyo ako ulit yung bait.
Fix it.
Is it okay? Gin?
Why did
Huh?
you put the whole fish on there, bro?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, where's the whole fish?
It's over there.
Go grab it.
Wait. Hold this.
No, it's okay too if you.
It's okay?
But, man, they don't eat the fish tail though.
Oh, yeah?
Now go grab the whole fish.
Holy crap.
Look at what this idiot did. Look at what this idiot did. Look what this idiot did. There, go feed the fishes some fish tail and shit.
Go inside?
Yeah. Go in. Yeah. And then out. Yeah. And then turn it. Turn it. Yeah.
Turn it.
And then hook it. Make sure. Yeah. Make sure it's nice and tight in there, you know. Nice
Yeah.
and tight. You like it nice and tight?
It's not tight.
But everything. No. Get go through this big stuff. Yeah. There you go. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. There you go. Now throw it.
Let's throw it.
You throw it. You throw it. Here,
Throw it.
I'll teach you. Just don't let go of the pole, okay, bro? Okay, you're gonna line this up first,
Yeah.
okay? Make sure it's because your finger go when you throw it. Don't let the pole go. Bro.
Hawakan mo yung isang kamay mo dito.
Listen to that guy. Listen to that guy. You've been standing
Fuck.
over there and you can't speak to him. Yeah.
Let go. Let go.
Hey, tell him make sure you don't let go of the fucking boat. Yeah. All right, let's go.
Yes.
All right.
Okay. Let's go.
Here we go. Make sure it's clear, okay? Make sure no one's back here. Don't let go of the boat. Go.
1, 2, 3.
Right here. Lean it in.
Yeah.
Reel it back in. Close it first. Close it first. Yeah.
Okay.
Reel it. Don't fall, man. Come down here. Don't let that fool go on there, bro. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Come down here, bro. Fish might pull him in.
Yeah.
You're not ready yet to go on the thing.
We leveling up first, man.
Okay, place your hand up here. Up here. Place your hand over here. No, yeah. Place this hand over here. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Balance. Natural.
Oh, what is it?
You threw it away, man. You didn't put it nicely, man.
Go grab your fish and bring it over here so you have to walk back and forth, man.
It's hard.
Put it over here.
It's hard, man. It's hard.
It's not that hard, but you know, it's just beginning. You know what I mean?
Yo, there are poles over there, man. Here, leave it over here. Here, turn it on. Here. Oh, there it is. Yeah, my man brought it. Yeah, that's good, man. Bring it over here. Just push it on the hook, man.
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing.
So it's, wait, hold on. It's 12:40 in the evening and we're still here. No fish, only small fish, red fish and the kule.
Shit, guy.
Ganda na sa amin yan. Merry Christmas!